everything wet.
What's good, you guys? R&R Motorsports back at you guys with another one, and today we have another X5 video for you guys. I'll be upgrading the lights at the bottom of the doors, and I'll be upgrading them to these shadow lights. These will be available on my website, rnrmotorsports.shopify.com. And yeah, basically they're similar to the ones that I have on my 6 Series if you guys want to go check out that video, but it replaces that light and it says X5 on it. So hopefully you guys enjoy this. Those are the side skirts we did in the last video. Things are sick, but yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so basically how you install this is pretty much you just pop it out. There's a clip on one side, and then you wire this black wire. One goes into the light, and the other side goes into the door harness. And the only tool you guys need is a plastic trim removal tool like this, and the light pretty much just pops out. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys how to do that right now. And then you just want to unplug it. Comes right out. This is the old one for you guys. And then you're gonna go ahead and grab the new one. There's pins on the new light, so the side with no pins goes into the light. Do that for you here right now. As you guys can see, trying to get a good angle. We'll do it from the back side so you guys can see it's clear anyways. It only lines up one way. There's a pin on the top. So pretty much it's gonna plug in just like that, and then you're gonna want to take the other 2-pin side and then plug it into your door like so, and then you guys can test to make sure it's working. As you guys can see, it is. You guys can see it lighting up right here. But you're just gonna want to like point it at the ground. As you guys can see, it's up. If I point the camera for you guys, it's upside down. The X5 is upside down, so we're gonna want to flip the orientation of it like so. Now it's saying X5 the proper way, and then there should be enough room up in here, yeah, for you to put the wire on the opposite side. Just want to be very careful not to break anything, and it should just, I don't want to force anything. Let me make sure I get it good. And then once that side is done, this side should just clip. As you guys can see, it clips, and we're good. We have the door light that says X5. It's pretty bright in this parking lot, so once I'm done, I'll pull over to a less bright area and show you guys what it looks like. But pretty much you're just gonna want to repeat that process on every door, and it's all plug and play. And then you could just throw these in the trash, or I don't know, sell them if someone needs them. I don't even know what these go for on eBay, but yeah, pretty easy install. It just pops out. You have to add one wire and it's plug and play. Let me go get some better video for you guys now of what these look like.
Got everything wet.
Alright guys, so that wraps things up for this video. It's probably one of the easiest installs you guys will do on this car. It literally takes 2 minutes. It's the same process on every door. That's why I only filmed the driver's door. But it's literally the same thing. You guys just pop out the new one, plug in the wire, and then plug in the wire to the new light, and it literally just pops right in, just like how you guys popped out the old one. And as you guys can see, it's pretty bright in this parking garage, and you guys can still see them clearly. And yeah, I think it looks really good. Like when you have the door open, you just see like X5 on the floor. Go back up for you guys. So yeah, for $30, or I think $60 for a set, or like $50 for a set, it's a pretty good deal. And yeah, it looks really good. Definitely, it's an eye catcher when you open the door. With that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out.